All the thoughts of mine which were revolving around my head for a very long time. The trend of not coming to school daily and bunking the classes has become very normal between students these days. But you need to be aware of the fact that any career which you want to pursue, you need a proper education for that. Either you want to be a doctor, an engineer or an architect, you need a good education for that.
You cannot drop out of your school and just drop into a very good job. You have got to train for, work for and learn for it. What your education will make you will decide nothing less than but the future of this country. What you are learning today in your school will determine whether we as nation can face difficulties and problems in our future or not. We need this knowledge and problem solving skills in our day-to-day life. We need this critical thinking skills which we gain in our history or social study classes to fight against problems like poverty and homelessness.
We need each one of you to develop your own talent and your own skill. And if you don't do that, if you quit on your school, you are not just quitting on yourself but future of this country. And I know, it is not always easy to focus on your schoolwork. Sometimes you have family issues or some personal issues which makes it harder to focus on your schoolwork. But at the end of the day, the circumstances of your life, where you come from, how much money you earn, how do you look, none of these are excuse for neglecting your homework or talking back to your teachers, bunking your classes or having bad attitude in school. There is no excuse for not trying.
Where you are right now doesn't have to determine where you will end up. Always set your goals straight. It can be as simple as doing your homework, paying attention in your classes. Whatever you decide to do, please commit to it.
And you won't love every subject you are taught in your school. You won't like every teacher who teaches you. Not all homework will seem relevant to you at this point of time. And you won't necessarily succeed at everything you try for the first time. And that's okay. That's part of our life.
Most successful people in the world are the ones who had most failure. You can't let your failure define you. You have to let your failure teach you. If you are getting bad grades, doesn't mean you are stupid. You just need to spend more time with your studies. Don't be afraid of asking questions. Don't be afraid of asking help when you are in need. When you ask for help when you are in need, it is not a sign of weakness, but of strength. It shows courage to admit when you don't know something. To learn something new. The story of India is not about the people who quit when situations gone tough. It's about the people who kept trying harder in their worst situations.
So today, I want to ask all of you present over here, what your contribution going to be? What problem are you going to solve? What will a principal who comes here after 20, 50 or 70 years have to say about your contribution for this school and for this country? Your teachers and parents are putting all their effort to give you the proper education you need. Our school faculties are working hard to fix up the classrooms, getting you smartphones, getting you equipments, all the new books and computers which you need for your development. And you need to do your part too, and that too very seriously.
So I expect all of you to get very serious this year. Put your best efforts in everything you do.
तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पर यकीन कर, तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पर यकीन कर, है कहीं जो स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर.
Don't let your family down. Don't let your country down. Don't let the school down. And most of all, don't let yourself down. Make all of us proud.
That's all from our side. Thank you.
The clapping should not be stopped for our two dynamites. It is Arya Singh and Aditi Singh of 12 AB. The mind-blowing speech they have delivered, and it is the best counselor. They are the best counselor for all the students. That in the classroom, if you are bunking, if you are not concentrating on your studies, then you will be losing for 40 years, 50 years of your life, and nobody can compensate. So dear children, whenever any topic, any message it is being delivered, you listen patiently and inculcate the good habits in your life so that you can get success in your life. This is all for the day. Have a nice day.